What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Honest Diecast. Got a little bit of a mail call today. It's a super small box. Super small. I wanted to share this unboxing with you because usually I don't do this. I really don't purchase stuff online, secondhand market too much. So when I do, it's really something that I gotta have. And this is actually an upcoming car that's going to be released that I had to have for my display. I saw it for a really good price, so I decided to grab it. It took a little bit of time to get to me. Not the shipper's fault. I'm guessing that something happened. To make a long story short, it ended up going from California to New York. So I contacted the seller and he was kind enough to actually send me another one. So I really appreciate that. It's quite a long wait. I'm sure it's going to be worth it, so I just wanted to share this moment with you. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. Don't want to cut the hands. Don't want to cut the hands. Nice and easy. Alrighty. Bubble wrap here. And we got some more. Ooh, I see it, baby. I see you. I see you. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be a pretty one, guys. All right, you guys ready? Look at that gorgeous gal. Ooh, yeah. Wait, let's take her out of the bag. Great packing. I really appreciate it. I'm actually going to link the video to the seller so that he can see this. And I will definitely plug him. I'll give his user handle on Mercari. That's where I purchased it from. Absolutely beautiful, man. I really love the demons. I was lucky enough to find one of the ones released last year in K-Case, the red one. I'm really hoping to find some of these, especially a carded one. But again, I saw this for, a really good price, and I couldn't resist because I knew that this was one of the supers that I absolutely had to have. And it's got the Jags, the TH logo, all the, man, look at that, B&M shifter, man, all that stuff. Good stuff. Excellent wheel choice too. I was actually thinking to myself, I think these are the same wheels. I think these are the same wheels that come on the 240Z transport car, I think. And I was actually looking at them the other day and I was like, man, that look good with a set of drag slicks on it, but that's what they look like they are. The front wheels. Those are a new style of 5-spoke, it looks like. That is awesome. That is friggin' awesome. Absolutely love it. So yeah, get all that stuff out of the way. You get out of the way. It's not your shot. Alrighty, so yeah, just leave her there. She's gonna be going in this display case behind her. So super stoked to get that. Again, just wanted to share this quick unboxing with you guys. Again, if you're interested, I'll link the seller below. Apparently he gets loose supers here and there. So yeah, thanks for joining us and we'll see you next time.